Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are learn ABCD but in a capital letter. So let's start. For this we are using black pen. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. C for cinnamon. D for dog. E for egg. F G for goat. H for hen. I for inkpot. J for joker. K for kite. L for lime. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for piano. Q for queen. R for ring. S for star. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for village. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. And last, we make a little kitty for happy kids. So kids, today what we learn? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, if you like my video, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye. Stay